Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV, you feel me out? We back at it again with another video for y'all niggas, no cap. Y'all already know how we coming. We behind the wheel of, you feel me, promethazine. Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on. But anywho, y'all, as y'all can see, we's behind the wheel of Miss Promethazine, you feel me? So as y'all boy can tell by the thumbnail, nigga, we doing a Hellcat POV with a homemade bomb, you feel me?
Oh!
Yes, nigga, a bomb that I made, you feel me? Allegedly. YouTube do not do too much because, you feel me, it's not a bomb, but at the same time, it is a bomb. But it is for entertainment purposes only, no cap. So don't take my video down or try to take my money on it, you feel me? Because this is for entertainment purposes. Gas in that motherfucking, I don't even know what that is, but it's something, goddamn. See? The Hellcat always turn the people up. But I'm gonna turn a nigga up if I throw this damn homemade bomb at their ass and blow their ass to smithereens. We ain't shooting at niggas no more. We blowing niggas up, no cap. I also got the hood off, so if y'all hear that supercharger like screaming like very loud, nigga, that's what that is, you feel me? And if I throw that bomb at your ass, you gonna be screaming very loud. No cap. I ain't gonna lie, I can't go too crazy. I can't slide, you feel me? Because my tires is so bald right now, y'all. It don't make no sense. I'm not gonna lie. But y'all still can listen to that bitch scream up and down the road, you feel me? I also forgot to tell y'all boys to make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And try to get this video up to 500, let me see. Try to get this video up to 500 likes, you feel me? If y'all get the video up to that, I'll throw this bomb at somebody. Oh. I ain't gonna say throw it at somebody, but I'll do something with the bomb in my next video, no cap, on 4th of July, you feel me? It's currently Wednesday, so let's go ahead and get this video up to 500, and I'll use that bit on somebody, you feel me? Y'all know I will. Oh! God diggity down. This bitch sounds so crazy, bro. I ain't took my hood off in so long, y'all. Well, not actually. It just seemed like it's been a long time. Damn. Y'all hear that bit. Y'all hear that popcorn in the background. But y'all boy let me know, you feel me? Damn, these niggas running the lights. I should throw that damn bomb at their motherfucking ass. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Leave their head on their horn on their steering wheel, on God, in flames. Y'all already know we in the trenches with it too. I'm gonna put y'all boys on game. So if y'all got any ops, you feel me? And y'all know how to make a homemade bomb, you feel me? On the 4th of July, since everybody popping firecrackers, y'all can throw that bit at y'all ops and blow their ass up, no cap. So don't never say I ain't never teach y'all niggas how to commit a murder. Cause y'all will be able to get away with it because there's gonna be so many explosions, the police ain't gonna know where it's coming from, twin, you feel me? Listen to me, I know from experience. Sorry, y'all, we had some complications going on, but you feel we back behind the wheel of that bitch. Do you wanna throw that bomb at somebody and blow their ass up? Why you can't do it? Damn, I'm supposed to put on gloves, but it don't matter. Cause all the evidence is gonna be burnt, no cap. What? What if a deer just jumped out of the damn bushes and I hit that bitch? We would have been fucked up, no cap. Give y'all boys a little down shoot. I'm weak, y'all. This car is so loud, bro. Like when you in an area, you feel me, where the sound be bouncing off the trees and the walls and stuff, this bitch be sounding like a damn, I don't know. Let's see here, what we're gonna do. Do you see a car coming that way? Cause I don't see a car coming that way, so I'm gonna turn this bitch this way. There wasn't no police over there, was it? Oh, okay. This bitch be sounding crazy. My car sit too low to be going over these little bumps though. Oh snap, I ain't see them nigga right there. That bitch looking crazy as hell. Pit bull mouth ass girl. Oh, she waved at me? I ain't see her. They're probably one of my folks who I don't know about. Black ass. Damn. But I ain't gonna lie, when you take the hood off, y'all, the supercharger sound like a mosquito who buzzing into a blowhorn. Y'all know them little horns that you talk through? That's what it sound like, no cap. Damn, it's some weak ass roads over here. But yeah, I'm finna cut my camera back on whenever I leave my grandma's house, you feel me? So y'all won't get my grandma low. And I have to really blow y'all niggas up with this bomb, no cap. Alright, y'all, we finna do a little burnout for these boys, even though my tire bought. I told y'all we ain't gonna do nothing, but I got it, so I'm finna do it. That Corvette motherfucker. Oh God, I still burn that nigga. Oh God. Still burn that nigga. Oh God. Bro, I got to take that little plastic plate from up under that car, bro. Cause that junk sound horrible, no cap. If y'all can hear all that, bro, but that little plastic piece, bro, like when I went and got my oil change, bro, they never put the screw on one side of it, so that bitch just dragging the ground. I know I probably talk about this in every video, y'all, but I be forgetting what to say. I ain't gonna even lie. This bitch sound amazing, y'all. That's why I love rounding my hood off, bro. But that's when I burn the most gas, though. I ain't gonna even count. When I take my hood off, I be on the gas so much. We got that nigga on that motorcycle. I'm let that nigga go past. I don't want no smoke. My tire ball, nigga. I should throw this motherfucking bomb at your ass, though. You know what? Oh, okay. I'm finna blow y'all niggas' ass up. Why these niggas looking back at me for? Alright, bet. I'm finna go run these niggas on their bikes. Come back here, nigga! Finna run your ass over! Oh, we can hell. Let me stop playing for these niggas get scared and start busting in my ass because I'm overly lacking right now because I don't got not one piece of fire in the car. I don't know what this nigga doing. Huh? Something fell out his pocket. Like what, a gun?
I don't know, it's something just fell out his pocket.
Don't tell me it's a gun. Cause I'm gonna go back and take that bitch.
Oh! That just fell out his pocket.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go back and take this nigga gun. Fuck what y'all talking about. Well, y'all, this is gonna wrap up the video, you feel me? Like I said, make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Hit that post notification bell. You know, make sure y'all get this video to 500 likes. I know y'all can do it, you feel me? So, we gonna make sure we can reach that goal, you feel me? We got many more videos to come, you feel me? I got some pretty interesting videos coming out, you feel me, real soon too. So stay tuned for that. But y'all, until next time, I'm clocking out. Peace.